A lot of YouTube advice seems to suggest that batch recording is the way to go. And it makes sense, but I'm not sure it's the right way for everybody, particularly people just starting out. So I've come across a particular tension. Now, obviously, batching gets it all done, especially with a 100-day experiment. It means I'd have a nice buffer if anything goes wrong, which we'll come back tomorrow if something went wrong. It would also mean that if I have days where, I can't film because I'm at the house renovating, which doesn't have internet, so I couldn't upload, or I have a migraine, so I actually can't film, or I've just had a very long day at work and don't make it home in time to actually be able to film, then I'd have a nice buffer. It'd still go out. There's no risk to getting the video out. But on the other side of things, the tension is that I'm not sure that's going to work for me, because my biggest issue right now is how uncomfortable I am on camera. And filming, a week's worth of videos in one day, it sounds traumatic. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. It's gonna overwhelm me completely. Whereas, and that's actually gonna backfire, because that's not gonna get me comfortable on camera. That's gonna make me more uncomfortable on camera in the long run. So instead, I want to do regular videos, because doing a little bit often generally works out better at A, getting more comfortable with the thing, and B, getting better at the thing long term. It also has the benefit that it gives me some time to reflect between videos. It gives me a chance to actually think about what's on my mind at the moment in terms of YouTube. What am I working on? What do I want to work on? What in the last video was absolutely awful, and can I improve that even just a teeny weeny bit? And that's a big part of why I'm doing this experiment. So batching isn't going to work for me, even though it's, I'm sure, really good advice, and down the line I'm sure I will do that because it's the safer option for me. But right now it's not the best option for me, because efficiency is actually not my main goal. So should we batch? Should we not batch? I don't think there's a nice, easy, straight answer to this one. I think it very much depends on your situation, what your goal is. If you're a very new YouTuber, I honestly think that filming regularly and in small bursts probably is going to be more beneficial. Whether you're dealing with the constraints I have or not, I honestly think that would still be more beneficial. On the other side of things, I think batching does have its benefits, especially when you want to do a 100-day experiment like I'm doing. So I've kind of come to a little bit of a compromise. So I'm not batching large amounts, but on days I'm not in work, I will film 2 videos. On days I'm in work but not in office, I will film 1 video. Days I'm in office, I'm not going to film any videos. That gives me a very small buffer of 1 or 2 videos extra a week, which isn't a huge amount, especially given there's going to be times where and it's going to be regular where I can't film, but hopefully it's enough. So I honestly think the answer to should you batch or not is consider what your goals are, consider your circumstances, and find a compromise that works for you. Tomorrow, I'm going to be talking to you about what happened when my laptop decides to quit on me 4 days into a 100-day experiment to post 100 videos on YouTube.